Hello everyone, today we are again with Palak and Palak is from BMW like I mentioned before in my last video. Palak, please tell us that you guys have recently launched a new project with the collaboration of Redison. So I really want to understand about that project.
Okay. So we have launched a new project with Redison. It's like hotel and residences both in one project. So both are twin towers and the location is very great for that one.
Okay.
So this is not on Marjan Island. This is on the Rack Central.
Okay.
So Rack Central is like the financial center of Dubai. So
Okay.
it will be a very good location to invest in, where the offices will be there, the hotels and all those things will be in that location.
So this is a residential project. Do we have anything commercial?
Yes, so we do have hotel apartments in that. Okay, there is two towers. One is the hotel apartments, and another one is the residences that we have.
Okay.
Yeah, so people can use it for the commercial as well as for the residences.
And what is the ticket size we have?
So for the residential, we are starting it with like 1.1 million for a studio, which will be a fully furnished studio, right? And for the commercial, it will be with 1.4 million is the starting for that, and that is completely like with collaboration with Redison.
Redison, okay.
Yeah.
And what is the size we have here?
So we do have sizes starting with like 470 square feet of area, and the sizes are same in both in the residence as well as in the
Commercial.
Okay.
So Palak, tell us what is the payment plan for this?
So it's a very, I would say that it is a very simple payment plan. 50-50 is the payment plan. 50% you pay during the time of construction and 50% on handover. And the good thing is that in UAE you can generally get the mortgage for 50% even if you are not the resident over there. So definitely it's a good point in which the non-residents definitely can cover their 50% with bank mortgages.
So for all the investors who are willing to invest with BMW and in Dubai, we can definitely look forward to this particular project, as the payment plan is 50-50. This is very good for all the investors, I believe.
Definitely.
So please do contact us if you want more details about this project. Thank you so much.